Alright, so today guys, we're gonna be trolling.
I mean, guys, we're gonna be trolling as a little kid, and we're gonna tell them if they bet me to put my VR in the microwave, and then I'm gonna act like I actually put it.
Alright, so let's get my acting.
Blah 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 and stuff like that.
What? You said what? Do you dare me to put my VR in
have
the
an echo.
microwave?
Yeah.
Okay, let me. Okay, I'm
Do
gonna
you
get.
dare me to eat this mogul?
Alcohol doesn't thrill me at all. So tell me why.
Hey you, Pumpkinhead, do you dare me to eat this mogul? You do? Oh god. Oh. It tastes good.
You like to talk to tomatoes.
You got a gun? Let me see that.
Now my VR is cooked.
I was vibing. You're cooked. You're cooked. You're cooked.
My VR is burning me.
Cartoons! I want to watch SpongeBob! Cartoons! Cartoons!
No, I want to
You're
watch.
gonna see something better than cartoons.
What? Who keeps switching it?
Okay, who gives?
I want to watch SpongeBob!
No, I got something better to watch.
Shut up, there's SpongeBob.
No, we could watch. Let's see.
Maybe it's
Can we all watch Coco?
Maybe it's your
If I can
voice.
find the stuff.
Good one, Patrick.
There we go. There's the movie.
Yeah.
How'd you change it?
You have to enter your URL code. Like you have to copy it from your browser.
I'm gonna cook my VR again. Okay.
Not in the middle of the TV. We're watching SpongeBob. Not in the middle of the.
Can you? Does anybody like Iron Maiden?
Hey, could you turn on
No, I'm not gonna turn on shit like porn stuff. No, absolutely.
My VR's cooked now. Again. I bet I could roast you so hard, bro. Hello?
Oh, sup?
Bro, whoever's changing it, stop, please. I'm dying.
I don't know how to.
Whoever's moving is gay.
The freak is this?
I'm entered the U.
Talk